week of Techy Tuesday. Today we're going to continue our series on how to utilize our studio equipment by talking about how we can use lapel mics. So this small microphone right here is a lapel mic. It is called that because you are typically clipping it onto the shirt collar, the lapel of whoever is your speaker. Sometimes these little clips do come off the back, but they just simply slide right on if you ever see them detached. And again, you're going to want to put this on the shirt collar, not too close to the person's mouth. You don't want them to be uncomfortable, but as close as you can get so that it really picks up the sound. Now this is going to do a couple of things. One, it's going to clarify the sound for the speaker, their voice, but it is also going to dampen some of the noise around the speaker. So if it is really windy or noisy wherever you are, you're definitely going to want to use a lapel mic to clarify that sound a little bit so you don't hear all of the background noise. And then we have the other portion of our microphone, which is our actual plug-in. This is what's going to go into the device that you are using, whether it is your phone or whatever you might be using, so that it actually connects the microphone noise to the device. Now both of these have a little power button. You're going to need to turn both of them on, so I can hold down this power button, and once I see the flashing light, I'll go ahead and do the same thing for the microphone. The power button is there on the back. And then once they stop flashing and they are both a solid color, you know they are paired for each other and good to go. And then we have our charger. So this is a dual charger. It will plug into both the bottom of this as well as the side of the microphone. So you can plug both in at the same time if you need to. But to actually get this to working for you, once you turn it on, all you have to do is plug the big device into your device. So here I'll show you, we're going to plug it right into our phone. And now we've got it there so we can actually use it. There's nothing else you have to do. Once it is plugged into the device, it is ready for you to start filming from whatever app you may be using, whether it is directly from your camera or another filming app. It will pick up the microphone at that point. And then when you are all finished up, you are going to pull that out and you are going to hold down the power button. Make sure you turn off both the device, and then you'll see here it's no longer paired with the microphone, so it's flashing. And then we'll turn off the microphone as well. Now you are good to store it in whatever container they gave you to store these in. If you have any additional questions on how to utilize these, please let us know. But until next week, thanks for tuning in.